Hello, this video is a quick start guide to help you get started with your Sirena system. First, you should remove all the components from the boxes. On my right is everything that is in the main unit box. On my left is everything that you'll find in the power nozzle box. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the machine from the dolly. Depress the lever at the back and remove it. Next, separate the machine from the basin. To do that, undo the clips on the side, remove it, and inside you're going to find all of your accessory tools. Next, you want to fill the water up to the min line on the basin. We're going to use the blue basin here just so you can see it a little bit better. So water just to the min line when you're cleaning. At this point, if you'd like, you can add our optional fragrances or the optional deodorizer to the water. Then you're going to attach the two pieces back together, clip them back on, and we're going to slide them back onto the dolly. Now to do so, slide the front lip in first and then lock the back part in. Next, we're going to assemble the power nozzle. This is the main body of the power nozzle. We have our extendable wand, and to extend the wand, simply depress the button and you can extend it. Next, we're going to slide it into the front, lock it in place. We'll take the electric cord for the power nozzle. We'll lock it into the cord holder in the back. Next, we're going to attach our electrical hose. And we're going to plug the power in. This plug will only go one way into the handle, so you don't have to worry about it. Up top, there's a trigger in our handle. When you squeeze the trigger, it activates the power nozzle. When you release it, it stops the power nozzle from working. Next, we're going to plug it into the main unit. To do so, remove the noise reduction cover, lift the flap, and make sure you go side to lock both sides in place firmly. Do not turn the machine on before you have the electrical power nozzle plugged in. Now, we also have in this box our owner's manual along with some helpful tips. We have our non-electric hose. This hose, when we plug it in, will hold all the tools. Simply attach the curved wand onto the non-electric hose, and all of the tools will fit onto the curved wand. We also have a second extendable wand which you can put on the curved wand to extend your reach even further. And both of the extendable wands can be combined to get your reach over 12 feet into the air. Now, this can be used for wet pickup as well. If you're picking up water or any wet liquid, you should dry it when you're done. Simply turn the machine around. On the back, we've got our HEPA cover. Remove it. And you can insert the hose to dry the hose manually. On the back here, as I said, is our HEPA filter. There's 3 screws that hold the HEPA filter in place. You should periodically remove the HEPA and rinse it. Its lifespan is approximately 12 to 18 months. Underneath, if we separate the two pieces, you will find our separator brush. It's stored underneath the HEPA cover as well as the separator itself. This brush is designed for cleaning and removing, so you can actually remove the separator by simply putting the tool in and loosening the nut. It should be removed and periodically cleaned, and then the separator tool stores back underneath for ease of use. You will also find your Sirena main unit serial number stamped right here on the main unit. The serial number for the power nozzle is on the rear of the power nozzle. It's on the bottom left. As you're vacuuming, you'll see it stamped in the plastic there as well. Now, all of these tools can easily fit onto any of the wands. The curved wand, this is our inflation tool. When it's attached on, you can simply take your non-electric hose, put it on the exhaust of the machine, and now you can use this as an inflation tool for blowing up mattresses, balloons, any of that sort of thing. The other tools that are included are our upholstery tool. This is fantastic for doing upholstery and furniture. Our crack and crevice tool. This is great for getting in tight to reach corners. And our dusting tool. This is fantastic for things like lamp shades or pictures within your home. All of these tools can be stored handily on the dolly. Just simply put them in place in any order that you would like around the dolly. and therefore they're conveniently located whenever you need them. Our floor tool is designed with airflow holes in the front. This will fit on any of the wands as well. This tool is not only great for hardwood floors, but for tile, for ceramic, for doing walls, and for doing ceilings as well. And this piece can be stored with the Sirena simply by putting it on the back as well. On the back, you'll also see our cord wrap feature. So to wrap the cord, simply go around the three-point system. When you want to release the cord, simply turn the cord wrap down and remove the cord. You will also notice that right now the Sirena is stored on the dolly without the basin. This is the way that you should always store the Sirena system, without the basin on the bottom. It's nice and convenient for you. Okay, the Sirena system is fantastic for picking up wet spills. Now, when you want to pick up wet spills at the Sirena, you always want to use the non-electric hose. It doesn't matter whether you've got our S10 model or our Premier model, they both work the exact same way. Simply remove your noise cover, plug in the non-electric hose, turn on the machine, and suck up the spill that you've got on the floor. Now, an important thing to keep in mind when you're picking up, it doesn't matter which unit you're using, we do have a max fill line. You never want to pick up liquid and exceed the max fill line. So you only pick up to the max fill line, dump the basin out, and then you can pick up more water if necessary. To dry the hose, simply turn the machine around, remove the HEPA cover, turn on the machine, and now you can dry the hose naturally with the Sirena, or allow it to hang, whichever you prefer. That's how you use the Sirena system for wet pickup. Okay, here we are with the Premier model and the Sirena S10 model, and we're going to point out some of the differences in the two. The Sirena Premier model comes with a slightly different wet dry hose. With the S10 you get a premium wet dry hose. The other difference is the S10 is a 2-speed model. So you've got the high speed, which you would normally use for vacuuming. You also have a low speed mode, which allows you to just clean the air or operate quietly if you just want to aromatize or maybe put some eucalyptus into the air. And those are the two differences between the machine. Now, the Premier also comes with a 5-year warranty, 5-year motor warranty, and the S10 model comes with a 10-year motor warranty, as well as 3 years on all the other components. And that's the differences between our Premier and the Sirena S10 model. We'd like to thank you for joining the Sirena family and take this opportunity to let you know that not only are you going to be happy for years and years to come with the Sirena model, but you're also going to have a healthier lifestyle and a cleaner indoor environment. So once again, thank you for becoming part of the Sirena family.